Okay, so I'm out for a walk right now, and it's raining, but it's not raining like too bad. So I can forget about going to the park today, so that kind of sucks, but it's okay. So that just means it's a good day to stay inside and watch movies on Disney Plus. So that's all there is to it. I'm not gonna go very far on my walk because it is raining. And there's chairs. Oh, I almost ran into that. There is chairs in the street, like on the side of the street. So that's where we're at with that. Thank God it's not like pouring down raining, or I would not be out walking like right now. Like right now this is doable, but I'm not going far. I'm literally going like 5 minutes away from my house, so I'm not going far at all. I was gonna walk to the CVS, but in this kind of weather, no thank you. If it stops raining later, I might do that. Actually, I still might walk to the CVS, but we'll see. Okay, I'm JK. Even though it's raining, I am gonna walk to the CVS. I have a guy coming up upon me. That dog was so cute. My thumb was in the way of the camera. Anyways. I did not know that they wanted rain. Okay. We're not gonna walk to the CVS. I keep going back and forth between walking to the CVS and not walking to the CVS. We're not gonna walk to the CVS because of the weather right now. So we're just gonna do a quick walkthrough. So I'm not going very far from my house, which is nice. So yeah. People are probably driving and looking at me like she has no jacket on. And it's raining. Like, that's probably how people are looking at me right now. But it's fine. Oh, man. I am having... This is fun. This is fun making YouTube videos for you guys. I like doing this. I think I'm going to keep doing this because I like doing it. I'm having a lot of fun today. So yeah. Coming up on this next street, we're gonna turn and go back to my house. Ooh, I think I might get an go-go squeeze when I get back home. Yeah. So yeah, this is the kind of stuff that I like to do with you guys, and what I want to do with you guys. So yeah, kind of wish it wasn't raining so I can walk a little bit further. But don't want to destroy my phone out here in the rain, so we're just going to turn back around and go home. It's going to be fine. If it stops raining later, you can walk a little bit further. But yeah, I think that's the update for now. I will see you guys when I get back home. Peace.